Hi, and welcome to the 2018 Paper 1 of the Junior Higher Level. This is question 9 we're on here. So, as usual, if you want a copy of the notes I'm working off, just send me an email to shanetroy@gmail.com, and that email address should be in the description below. So, question 9 here has a statement at the beginning. A group of friends makes a video and posts it on YouTube. They know that they will be paid approximately €15 for each 10,000 views of the video. Use this information to answer the following questions. So part A says, work out how many views of the video they would need in order to be paid €45. Now, it's not rocket science, okay? If 15 for every 10,000, okay, basically how many 15s are in 45? It's not even a complicated calculation. 15 and 15 is 30 and 15 is 45. Okay, so there's 3 15s in 45. If each €15 is equal to 10,000 views, 3 times that is equal to 30,000 views. Now, showing that out, okay, so now it's probably a bit long-winded here, but you want to show it algebraically, okay? You could just show the answer. You probably get full marks for correct answer, no work shown. But if there is a calculation, show it, okay? So €15 equals 10,000 views, okay? Now, what have I done here? Okay, I've worked out. Okay, I've done it a little bit differently here. I've divided by 15 both sides to see how many views you need to have for €1. Okay, now I end up with this statement. Now that is a number. Okay, I don't divide it in because it's a decimal, so I'll just leave it as it is. So if €1 is equal to that many views, how much is €45? I multiply both sides by 45. And then with €45 equals to 30,000 views. Didn't need to do it this algebraic way, okay? But if you have a statement, you can always manipulate it using algebra for what one of something is. So later on, it'll probably be important. If I said to you, what's one view worth? Divide both sides by 10,000, okay? And you get the number of cents, whatever, for one view. Obviously, it'll be small. So that's part A. Now, part B says, work out how much in euro they will be paid for 80,000 views of the video. Well, now, you can probably do it from just the last question, but if how many 10,000s in 80,000, well, there's 8 of them. 8 by 15 will be your answer, okay? I'll probably do it differently here, but I'll go through the answer. Okay, I haven't. So I've divided the 80,000 by 10,000 to get 8. Okay, so there's 8 payments as such. Each payment's worth 15. 15 by 8 gives you 120. I could have done it other ways, but that's just the way I chose to do it there. I mean, it's different the way I did part A. I could have done this the same way as I did part A. Now part C, I'll go back to the blank question. It says, work out how much in euro they will be paid on average for one view of the video. Okay, so now, before we go to the answer, if we said now €15, okay, equals, what was that, 10,000, okay, you're basically saying how much is one view. Now that's your, for lack of a better word, conversion statement. So if I want to find out, turn this into 1, I can divide it by itself, okay, so divide it by 10,000. Because 10,000 divided by 10,000 is equal to 1, and one view. Do it to one side, I have to do it to both sides. Okay. So 0, 0. Okay. Now, if you do the calculator, you're going to end up at 0.015. Actually, no, it's going to be 0.0015. Yeah, sorry, 2 zeros. 0.0015 equals one view. That should be it. That's the answer done out there. Okay. Now part D, okay, we're getting into a more complicated. This will be worth 5 marks. So it says the video costs them €70 to make. It does not cost them anything to post the video on YouTube. Part D says write an expression in X for the profit in euro they will get for X views of the video. Okay, so that's tricky enough. I might as well go to the answer here just because it'll be easier to work through it, okay? So I have a statement written here. It says profit is the amount paid for all the views they had, take away the cost of production, the cost of making the video. Simple as that. So how much did they get paid for all views? Okay, we don't know. We're talking in general. So if X was in reviews, then that could be 1, it could be 1,000, it could be 10,000, it could be 80,000. How much were they getting for each one of those? It was 0.0015. And then you're taking away the 70, which was the cost of making the video. That's your profit. Okay, so that's part D. Now, there's a part E. Okay, so these two parts are marked together. They're worth 10 marks in total. There are 7 people in a group or the group. They divide the profit from the video evenly between them. They each get 200 in profit. Write an expression in X to represent this information, where X is the total number of views of the video. So let's read through this. There are 7 people in the group. They divide the profit from the video evenly in between them. They each, it's important, they each get 200 in profit. Now write an equation in X to represent this information, where X is the total number of views of the video. Okay. In that case, let's see. Now I might as well go to the answer, but the profit is given by 0.0015 times the number of views. Take away the 70. We saw that in the last part. You're given the profit is 200, and you're given 7 people. Okay, so going to 200 each is the profit divided by the 7 people. Now we can multiply that across and go 7 by 200 is 1400 equals 2.001x minus 70. Well, let's see, I'm sure we could go and bring that 7 across, as I said, and finish it off, but I just left it like that. Now part 2 says work out the value of X, the total number of views of the video. So I'm going to solve for X now. So bring the 7 across for definite, okay, and make it linear. That gives me 1400 equals 0.0015x take away 70. I want X to stay where it is, so the 70 has to move. Moves across to the left-hand side, becomes plus, going across the equal. And then there would 1400 plus 70 is 1470. And far side works out to be 0.0015x. Okay, remember we're looking for X, so add them together. You get 1470, and then we need to divide across the 0.0015, and we end up with our answer. Okay, now if you put it through the calculator, 0.0015, there is 980,000 euro up for grabs. Right, it's question 9, and see you on question